Hi friends, welcome to TurboSite channel. In this video, we'll show you how to change the Web UI login password on TBS28XX Series. First, log into the Encoders Web UI using the default account and password. Go to the Portal Admin page. Click Edit. Then you can enter new password. Please note that the password must contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Click Save to apply the new password. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TurboSite.